me and my cousin. He's also playing blacket. I'm going to be opening the Blizzard box and trying to get Santa.
Hi, Santa Claus.
Or that. Yeah.
Clownfish, that is not real.
First try Gingerbread Man. That's pretty good.
Holiday.
Third try Gingerbread Man. Tell me if you get something good.
Gingerbread house.
I got a snowman right before this, as you can see in my pictures. I just got here from school.
Well, don't tell them that.
Well, it's not like they're gonna know what my school is.
Yeah, they are.
How? All I said was I got back from school. I didn't say I got back from my school.
Gingerbread house, second try.
I'm not getting any rares. We're gonna keep doing
Snow
it.
globe. We both got snow globes.
I'm gonna keep trying until I get Santa Claus
Or hi, Santa Claus.
or that. Or any chroma.
How about we open the aquatic box? Because then we can get lots of chromas.
I only got one chroma from the aquatic box. Oh,
Octopus,
epic!
first try.
Epic. Another snowman. Bum ba da la. Shing ba la bum bum.
Poison dart frog.
Shing ba la. Shing ba la bum bum. Wait, you got a poison dart frog?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I didn't take a photo. Clownfish, that sucks.
Wait, how does your green animation? Another epic. Another one. So it's giving me every good one except for Santa.
I got an old boot.
Old boot. Tell me if you get like a Grandma or legendary or an epic. Have you gotten any rares yet?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the octopus.
2 octopuses.
Octopuses is not a word. It's octopus.
I'm gonna try and get. Where?
I am rich right now.
I'm gonna try and get the donut blobfish.
Donut blobfish. Do you know what it looks like?
No.
It doesn't even look that good.
Or
It looks like a burnt donut.
or a poison dart frog or a blue whale.
I keep getting holiday breasts.
Crab. Pretty good.
Guys, should we try to get the megalodon?
Got an octopus.
Was it red?
No.
Because there's something called a crimson octopus. I want to see if our animation is the same. No, it isn't. Because yours like goes up right here. Mine just goes everywhere.
Yeah, it goes up and down, that's all. Oh, yeah. Ours is different because we got different accounts.
No.
Yeah.
I think it's just because I'm on a computer and you're on a phone.
Pufferfish. That's pretty good.
I accidentally opened the aquatic box.
Chroma. Can we get a chroma?
You got a chroma?
Come on, chroma. Let's get a chroma. Cromer.
Well, you should open the medieval box because the king is on there. You have a better chance of getting the king, just like how I have a better chance of getting the Yeti.
Come on.
Ice bat.
Unicorn!
What? It's just an epic.
It's pretty good. I'll clip that.
Clip that. You know, blacket legacy does not save. I'm gonna change some settings.
Jester. Try and get the black dragon.
Leaderboard. Is this like for the most books unlocked? Oh my gosh.
How much coins?
Look how much tokens that is.
How much tokens is that?
About like 60 billion, I think. 60 billion at least, I think. Oh gosh. Oh, wait. Tyrannosaurus Rex, Megabot, Santa, no legendaries. Yes, legendary. No legendary. Okay. So we are still going to try the Blizzard box.
Wait, do you want to bring your computer outside?
No.
Oh. I want to throw the plane.
Papa is cutting the yard.
We could still throw the plane.
How?
On the... another unicorn.
Yeah, I got like 4 snowmans today. Which isn't a lot.
Wait, and also we
it's
can
just an
throw
epic.
the football not in the grass. A queen. I know we can throw the football.
I keep getting snow globes. I already got a king. Oh, actually, I got a normal king and a phantom king.
You have no proof.
I know. Actually, I do.
Show them.
I screenshotted it. I already showed them on my last video.
Okay, well.
Megabot. Finally. Feels so good to get a Megabot.
Yeah, they're outside. Do you want to throw the football?
No.
On the concrete?
No.
Yeah? King! King!
Okay, stop yelling. Alright, you can stop opening that pack. Try to open the Dino box. If it has the legendary. Bro, flip your phone this way so you can see.
No, it doesn't. I'm gonna go outside, okay?
Okay.
I'll tell you if we get something good or not.
Well, I guess it's all up to me, guys.
I'm gonna Brontosaurus Rex. What?
Oh, I farted so much.
That's probably gonna burn.
Yeah.
Oh, it's spinning.
What is?
I didn't touch that.
Guys, I don't know if I want to end it or not. Probably just another rare, and I'll end it when I get another rare. Divine first try. One more rare. Bro, give me a rare. Thank you. Alright. See you guys later. Goodbye.